Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the English class. So children, today we will start a new lesson, that is I speak, I say, I talk. This is a poem, children. So in this poem, the poet is telling about different sounds made by different animals and birds. Different animals వేరే sound చేస్తాయి కదా, దాని గురించి చెప్తున్నాడు. అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ బర్డ్స్ కూడా కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ సౌండ్స్ చేస్తాయి, దాని గురించి చెప్తున్నాడు. అండ్ వాట్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ డూ, మనం హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ ఏం చేస్తామో దాని గురించి చెప్తున్నాడు. సో లెట్ మీ రిసైట్ ద పోయం. Cats purr, lions roar, owls hoots, bears snore, mice squeak, sheeps baa, but I speak. These all what they do, they make different sounds. What are they? Cats, lions, owls, bears, mice, sheep. They make different sounds. But I, the poet, he is saying, but I speak. Monkeys chatter, cows moo, ducks quack, doves coo. Pigs squeal, horses neigh, chickens cluck, but I say. So these animals, monkeys, cows, ducks, doves, pigs, horses, chickens, they cannot talk, but I can say something. Flies hum, dogs growl, bats screech, coyotes croak, parrots quacks, bees buzz, but I talk. All these animals and insects and the birds, flies, dogs, bats, coyotes, parrots, bees. All these coyotes means it is a small animal. It looks like wolf. Okay. So these animals and birds, they all make some different sounds. They cannot speak, but I can speak. This is what the poet feels. I am great because I can speak. So children, poet is feeling great because he can speak, he can tell whatever he feels like. But these animals, birds, insects, they can't speak, so they make different sounds. Now we'll write the new words of the poem. First bit, new words. New words. First one, purr, roar, hoot, snore, sneak, squeak, squeak, squeak. Next, sixth one, chatter, squeal, me, So these are the new words, children. Please copy it down. homework, same. It is first bit. 2 times you write it. This one 2 times you write. Okay children, please go through the poem once again at home, and we'll meet in the next class. Bye.